Hello viewers. Today I'm going to start the Python course. In this tutorial, I want to make a playlist from basic to the advanced level. So we'll jump into the concept of basic Python introduction video first. So then we'll move towards the other programs. Okay. So generally, some questions will come, like where do I need to execute Python? So to execute Python, we are having the different platforms to execute. So here, so you see, they are suggesting some online compilers to execute. Okay, given. Okay, it is giving some tutorial websites. Okay, so the thing is, where we can compile the Python programs means you can use so online compiler for Python. So this is one option. So when you click this, automatically some suggestion links will come, and you can click on anything, and you can directly use if your program is here, and when you run this, automatically the output will be shown here. So, and I'll write one more statement, like when you given 2 plus 3, when you click on run this, then the result 2 plus 3 came in the output window. So this is one thing, and this is very basic, but generally no one will use this type of execution. Like very beginners will use this. Okay. So apart from this, I'll go through some other Python programming execution environments. So in that, very popular and convenient is that is Google Colab. So Colab is one thing, and Anaconda. So this is Anaconda, and you can download from here. So actually, I already downloaded. So this is the icon for the Anaconda. So in this Anaconda, you'll be having Jupyter Notebook, Spyder, and some other things also. So in my system, I used Anaconda. So I'll click on the Anaconda Navigator. Then this Anaconda environment will be platform will be opened. Yeah, it is opening. So either you can run on this Anaconda platform, or you can use Google Colab. So this is called Google Colab. So when you click on this Google Colab, you must log in through your Gmail ID. Then automatically a new notebook will be opened. So the Google Colab is opening. So here I clicked the new notebook. Then a new notebook is opened here. Yes, okay. So this is a new notebook. Here we will be having two types of Python execution scripts. One is Python script directly. So that will end with the program name .py. So when you encountered with py, then all the statements will be under one file. Okay, so this is one thing, and another type of Python script is Python notebook. So if you see here, the extension is given as something like inb. So here This is the extension for Python notebook, IPynb. So it is not looking like simply .py. So it is Py means a Python notebook. So Google Colab generally opens the notebooks. So what is the notebook means? Here, this is one thing. So here you can write one statement or some set of statements. Okay, when you execute this, how you will execute? When you click on this play button, automatically that cell will be executed. So this portion is called a cell. Okay, so at present it is executing. I think some internet connection is a little slow. So the Google Colab works on online only. It works on internet. So print statement. Oh, sorry. So here I need to give the string in double quotes. So when I execute this, it prints the statement one. Okay. So when we want the next cell, simply you click the plus code, then another cell will be opened. So here, right, and that's it. So when you execute this by hitting on play button, the particular thing will open. So this is like a page. This is like another page. So that's why it is called as notebook. Google Colab notebook. This is the thing, and this is one environment. Google Colab is one, and the second thing what I told is Anaconda. Now we'll jump into the Anaconda. So when you open the Anaconda, the prompt will come like this. So here you are finding the Jupyter notebook. So you are finding the Jupyter notebook. This is also very popular, and after that, here you can find the Spyder. So Spyder is also another platform to execute the Python programs. So generally, I will go through the Jupyter notebook. This is offline, and the Colab is online. So these two, Jupyter notebook and Colab, will support the notebooks. And here, the Spyder will be given with the direct file. So you have to execute the .py files. You can execute the .py files in the Spyder. Okay, so I will launch the Jupyter notebook. So like this, here you can create the new script using this new Python 3. So and the thing is, initially you must install the Python itself. So otherwise, if it is not there, Anaconda will automatically downloads and installs the Python 3. So you are creating a Python 3 notebook. Okay, when I hit this, a new notebook will be opened. So here you can start writing the program. So it is almost similar like a Google Colab only. But Google Colab is online, and that particular Jupyter notebook also will be opened in the Chrome browser only, but it works online. So first you have to rename this. For example, welcome. mm, Simply you write welcome, then that will be saved as welcome.ipynb. You will find somewhere else here. So yeah, here you can find this. That is, you did not give any extension .ipynb like .py, but directly it taken. Okay, so welcome. So generally, the program name should start with the small lowercase letters. So I will rename this as welcome. So I am writing here a simple print statement. So this is, so when you When the statement is preceded by hash, then that will not come under execution. So it is called a comment line. So comment lines will not come under execution because that will not be compiled or interpreted. Okay. So in order to display a statement, I will write the print function. So if there are a pair of parentheses, it means that it is representing a function. And here I wrote the print as the function to display something on the output wall. Okay, so here in order to display anything, you must include those statements inside the double quotes or single quotes. So here I will write welcome to Python programming. So when you hit enter, that output will be displayed here. So in the next class, in the next video, we'll be discussing some basic programming like mm, addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, like modulo operator, uh, like basic arithmetic operations. We'll see in the next video. So thank you all. Thank you.